This has been a most challenging year. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted our lives and activities, forcing us to change the way we do things. For businesses, this has meant adopting new work processes, new modes of communication, and managing limited resources more efficiently. Many of our ES companies and workers have to cope with additional demands for cleaning and disinfection services since the start of the pandemic. They have to manage increased waste in residential areas as more people work from home, often with reduced workforce. Despite these challenging circumstances, our frontline environmental services heroes step up to the challenge and continue to keep our environment clean and maintain high standards of public hygiene. My heartiest congratulations to all our winners today, who are exemplary role models for the industry. Even as we congratulate our winners today, I'd like to recognize the many other unsung heroes who will continue to go about their daily duties with silent conviction, taking pride and meaning in ensuring a clean and safe environment for all of us to live, work, and play in.